how are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Seb is my producer right now and he's doing the videos. Anyway, this is the Vlogmas that we have for today for the Vlogmas 2020, and we're going to share you what we got from our friends Raine, thank you Raine, and then Lux Granny, Grace Granny, Lux Granny Grace and then from my coworker. So let's open this one first. This one is this is the one that we received today. It's heavy. And then this one is ta-da-da-da, ta-da, Leclerc. This is a Leclerc Brut Rosé. This is a sparkling wine and is as big as my head. So that's that. It's heavy. This one is produced in France, and then this is about 1.5 liters. So somebody's gonna get drunk, and it's not gonna be me. That's that. Anyway, so this one is from Raine. Raine, thank you very much for all this. This is from him. And then this one is from our lovely she's a YouTuber. I'm gonna link her it fell. Anyway, I'm gonna link her channel below so you can just see that. And this one came from all the way to Ontario, Canada. So we'll check this one first. So this one went on an international flight just for us two. Cheers. Lux Grady, you really took time to wrap this up real good. And then we have the card. This one I think came from, she got this one from She's Totally Crafty. I'm not gonna be able to show you that part because my information in there is in there and hers. Let's get the card first. She really I did. This one is so tight. Anyways, I ripped it off already. I'm sorry. Okay, so this one is from Lux Granny. So it says here, a big thank you to you both for all the amazing support. Have a blessed Christmas and a healthy, happy, and prosperous 2021. Love always, Grace. Yes. And then with that, she gave this She's Totally Crafty card by Allison. So yeah, put it down here. And then this one. Okay. So we're just going to edit that. There you go. And then she gave us, what is this? Let me see. Oh wow, that was cute. Santa baby. She really wrapped this one good. The first one is it's a Christmas what's that one called? This is a Christmas ornament. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. And look what Carlo&Seb, and then this one on the back, 2020, because she knows that we got married July 2020. So yeah, and then there's a ring right there. Oh, that one is so cute. Oh wow, thank you Lux Granny. This is so special. We will put this one on our tree. So that's that. I'll put that one on here. And then this one, there's another one. So we want to thank you all for all this. This one is amazing. And then this one is a bigger version of it. And oh wow, that one is Carlo&Seb. I love it. We love it. Do you like it, baby?
Yes, of course.
So yeah, so this is the small one, and then this is the big one, and then it says on the back 2020. Thank you, chubby. So that's that. And then now moving on to our dear friend Raine. So this one is ours. This is from him. This one is so this one is from Bath and Body Works. So there's a body wash, yay. There's a spray, a body spray, 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash, a hand cream, and a what is this? And there's another one. Thank you, Raine. This is so special. Thank you. And then for sure, this is going to be smelling good. Should I open it? No. Okay. And then this one is chocolates. I can see that already. Wow. So this one is grand, a fancy chocolate treats from Raine. This one is a selection of Belgian chocolates. Yay! We'll open one already and then taste it. So this one has a selection of Belgian chocolates. Should I open one already? We'll open one just for you. Can you tell that I'm hungry? I'm hungry already. I just came from work and then now we're doing all this. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Baby, this is for you. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat one already. I fell. Ta-da! Thank you, Raine. We have another one thing to unbox. Raine was so fancy. Look what he gave us. A Chanel. Wow. Look at that. Thank you, Raine. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon alone does really pretty. And thank you for the ribbons. You know me with my ribbons anyways. And then look at the wrapping. It's all Chanel. Any guesses on this one? We'll find it out. So I'm gonna be taking care of this one. And then this one is, because I don't want to ruin it too much. Oh, I did already. Anyways, and this one is, oh, Allure Home Sport Sport Chanel Eau de Toilette. Ah, special. Look at that. Let's smell it right now. Wow, thank you, Raine. You're so sweet. Oh wow, so this one is going to be added on our collection. Thank you very much. And then the smell of this one. Oh wow, smells so good. It smells refreshing. Oh, I like it. Thank you. So here you go. You have seen all the things that we got at this point in time. And then at work I got at 85 degrees and a candle. So yeah. So this is all for today. Thank you very much for thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye. Merry Christmas!